Hello everyone, welcome to this session and welcome to this channel. In this session we are going to look at beginning of term 2 ICT senior 6. Okay, that's paper 1 and paper 2, and we are going to look at how basically we could have tried to answer this question. And this paper was developed based on NCD samples for 2026, that is according to new curriculum, all the aligned curriculum of senior 6 subsidiary ICT. Alright, as you can see, this is our paper 1. Okay, this is our paper 1, and this ICT theory saying it's 2 hours and it has 2 parts. Okay, and you have to answer only 2 items, and all your responses must be presented in formal writing layouts. Okay, they're saying part 1 is compulsory, and as you can see, let's read as item 1. Item 1, they're telling us that this item is compulsory. Item 1 is saying Blythe Choice Supermarkets operates on both physical shop and online ordering platform. Okay, this business relies on ICT systems to manage stock records, process customer payments, print receipts, and maintains communication with suppliers. Okay, recently employees have reported several technical problems affecting daily operations. Some computers restart unexpectedly during the transaction, printers fail to respond when connected, and some systems take long to boot. Additionally, management suspects that the computers currently may no longer meet the increasing workload of digital transaction and inventory management. The supermarket manager intends to upgrade the ICT system, okay, but lacks the insufficient knowledge to determine the most appropriate hardware and software to purchase. Okay, task: prepare a detailed report advising the manager on appropriate ICT solutions to improve ICT performance, address the existing technical challenges, and ensure efficient long-term operation. You can see that this specifically comes from the World of ICTs. Then the topic of World of ICTs, topic of hardware and topic of software. Okay, and plus little bit of internet knowledge. That's how you can answer this question very well if you have covered those 3 topics. Okay, let's cross over and look at our part 2. Saying in part 2 also have to answer only 1 question. Okay, and according to our question, let's see item 1. Item 3, it is saying in Mubende municipality, many young people frequently use smartphones and social media platforms to communicate and access information. While these technologies provide opportunities for learning and collaboration, community leaders have become concerned about the increasing cases of cyberbullying, exposure to the appropriate online content, exposure to inappropriate online content, and digital communication, then communication with unknown individuals through social media. Additionally, the town council intends to conduct an online meeting with education partners and share the important digital documents with them. However, the council leadership lacks adequate knowledge about safe digital communication practices. You have been invited as to provide guidance because of your ICT knowledge. Then now you are tasked to do what? Prepare a comprehensive advisory document proposing the solutions, okay, to the digital communication challenges affecting the community. Now what you are required here in your document, please pick out the challenges, okay, and address them For example, the challenges that we have here are increasing cases of cyber bullying and also exposure to inappropriate online content, communication with unknown individuals through social media. Okay, try also to answer that one very well. Look for how best a learner should look for how best they can answer or can address that challenge. Also, a challenge of inadequate knowledge about safe digital communication practices. In your document, make sure you advise these people on how they can do safe digital communication. Right? Let's go for next item in this number. Then yes, here saying should be item. Okay. Natete Farmer Association has developed a mobile chatbot platform powered by artificial intelligence, support farmers with information about weather patterns, crop diseases, pest control, and market prices. Okay. During pilot testing, farmers reported several challenges. Some users found chatbot commands difficult to understand. Others complained that the platform asks too many questions before providing answers, and some farmers expressed concern about safety of their personal farming data, okay, stored on the platform. The organization intends to improve the platform so that it becomes more useful, reliable, and trustworthy to farmers. What are you required to do? To prepare a comprehensive proposal explaining how AI-powered chatbot platform can be improved to better meet the needs of the farmer. Okay, and again in this question, we are supposed to see how best they can improve this platform. How can they during their solve these several challenges that they found. Okay, the commands that are difficult to understand. Okay, the tasks that may be asking of too many questions. Okay, then concerns of the safety of personal data stored on the platform. Okay, so look for how best you can address those challenges in your document or your proposal. Okay, you can see that these item 3 and item 4, they came from digital communications and emerging technologies. Okay, so there you have to choose one item and you answer to the best of your performance. Okay, all right, thank you very much. We shall come later with the responses in the next video, so make sure you subscribe. You also come again, like, share, comment, and tell us how best can we support you in your education. Okay, also remember to comment so that we can get engaged together in anything that you want. Thank you very much.